Hey crochet friends! One of the first techniques to learn in your crochet journey is making a slip knot. This tutorial includes simple step-by-step instructions to very quickly create a slip knot. And once you learn how, you can get started on any crochet project. Welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. I'm Pauline from Makingpolly, and I'm so delighted you could join me for this mini tutorial. Firstly, for the tutorial, you will need any yarn type and weight that you wish, and also any crochet hook size that you wish. However, it's best to use the recommended crochet hook size for the yarn that you are using, and this information will be on the yarn's label. So let's get started. This tutorial can be used by both right and left-handed crocheters, but if you are left-handed, you may want to mirror image the instructions. With your right hand, place the yarn end over the index finger of your left hand. Then turn your index finger so that it is pointing away from you, and the yarn will cross over itself to create the first loop. Hold that loop in place with your right hand, and with your left hand and the long length of yarn, create a second loop and push it through your first loop from back to front. Then pull through with your right hand while still holding the first loop in place. Then insert your hook from front to back through the second loop made. Then use your hook in your right hand to pull the loop up while holding onto the yarn end and the long length of yarn. Then pull the long length of yarn away from your hook to tighten around your hook. And your slip knot is now made. Keep practicing and don't give up on your crochet goals. Thank you so much for joining me for this super quick crochet tutorial, friend. I really hope it has been of use to you. I would really appreciate it if you liked and shared this video and left me a comment. And please don't forget to subscribe for more fun and informative crochet tutorials. Happy crocheting!